Hi everyone, Tams here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm glad to have you. My name is Tams and I create content that encourages a well-lived creative life. In this video, I'm going to share with you what happens here at Cortland Cottage as we transition into the month of September. For those of you that are full out gone into your cozy fall sweater weather season, it's a little bit different here in Florida, and I often try to share with you what is happening here at my Florida cottage and cottage life in Florida. And I thought it would be interesting for you to see what we do, or what I do in September, a little different than the rest of the country. So August is over, thank goodness, and I shared in my last Cortland Cottage Chronicles just how hot it gets in August. And in September, it's still a little warm in the middle of the day. I'm not gonna lie, it's still hot in the middle of the day, but the light is changing, the days are getting a little shorter, the mornings are cool, the evenings are cool, so we can do things like start to sit out outside for our early morning coffee, or maybe sit out on a porch late in the evenings for dinner. So there are little subtle changes that are happening to remind us that we have overcome August. The rainy season is still lingering. We still have some showers in the evening, and we still have to be concerned about hurricane season, probably until mid-October. But there are some little things that I do here at Cortland Cottage in September to lift my spirits and get me in the mood for the fall and the holiday season to come. One of the first things I do that's kind of opposite of what a lot of people do is when people think about the spring, they think about deep cleaning or spring cleaning. But I like to do that in the fall in Florida, because the rainy season creates a lot of gunk and dirt on the exterior of your home for various reasons, and you kind of want to get that cleaned up as the rainy season goes away. But I also like to take the time to deep clean here inside the house, so I've been taking it room by room. So I thought I'd share with you just some of the little things that are happening here around the cottage, and it may give you inspiration to do some things at your house, especially if you're in states where we don't have the traditional September fall season. So let me show you a few things that are going on. All right, so another example of what I'm doing for what I call fall deep cleaning is I am washing all the curtains. I am washing the windows on the inside, and the ones with screens on the front, I'm washing those too. And I'm not doing too much on the outside of the window because I'm waiting for the hurricane season, which to be done, because if we have a storm, it will make the outside window very dirty. But that doesn't stop me from washing those. So I've got curtains down here, I've washed those windows and mopped. We've done our regular cleaning of mopping, vacuuming, and as I go through each room, I'll pull down the curtains and wash the windows as well as the curtains. So that's an example of what we do here. I also like to change up the dining room a bit and change up some of the china. I love blue and white. It just reminds me of the fall. And right now I've got a little centerpiece of an old silver tea set and some ceramic pumpkins. I will polish my tea set, and then I've also put out, there's a tray over there on the sideboard that my mom made many years ago, and we've put it out. We would put it out for Thanksgiving every year, or the fall, in the dining room. So I've got it now. And then I've got that white pedestal. I'm gonna fill that up with seasonal fruit like apples or pears, probably apples. And I think that will make the dining room look a little more autumnal. My neighbor gifted me these dried flowers. Aren't they beautiful? I'm gonna make an arrangement, probably for that table over in the Florida room. So let's see what we can do with these. Let's make something pretty. Here we have our little arrangement. in the Florida room. I also like to change out the scents, the candles, the warmer wax melts, and my plug-ins this time of year to a warmer scent. So for September, I am going with like a warm vanilla type, and then in October and probably November, I'll switch to, I love the leaves scent, but for September, it's still warm here in Florida, so I thought the vanilla sugar would be a nice transition into fall. One last thing I've done is overhaul my pantry. So I cleaned out things, threw out things, and I'm getting ready for the new season that's coming up. And you can see one of the things I decided to do is bring the bar in here. I've had the bar displayed out in the den for a while now. And what we noticed is that we keep bringing the bottles here into the kitchen, and everyone ends up making their drinks on the kitchen counter. So decided to bring all that in here. I had the room for it, and it's a little more organized. You can see I've got room for some more wine up there. We just aren't, well, I'm not drinking as much as I used to, and I've cut back on my cocktail hours since I've started changing my eating habits. So there's a fresh fall pantry clean out. I also live with 2 beagles that I adopted a year ago, and while I was deep cleaning the family room and den, I decided to overhaul their little puppy palace. And this is the before picture. You can see it is kind of dingy in there. So I pulled everything out, gave it a good clean, and then I painted the interior to match the walls. The paint was very old, hadn't been painted since I moved here. And then I put together a new crate system that also serves as a table with some drawers. And I think it turned out really nice. It looks a lot cleaner, neater, not so much like a closet. And they really have enjoyed it. You can see they're quite happy tucked away in there. And while I was at it, I cleaned up their little treat and leash station here in the mudroom and gave it a little fall spruce. There you are. I hope you enjoyed. I'd love to know what you're doing to transition into September and into the fall season. Please leave a link below and let's start a thread. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.